السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. Today in this short series we are going to learn about مواضع ضمير الفصل, places of ضمير الفصل. In Quran, from Surah Al-Fatiha till Surah Al-Nas, there are 4 places that you are going to find your ضمير الفصل. F is for fasal and F is for 4 places where your damirul fasal is going to be found. So the first place can be between mubtada and khabar of jumla ismiya. So here ulaika humul muflihuna, ulaika mubtada al muflihuna khabar, and between mubtada and khabar this hum can be treated as damirul fasal. The second place for damirul fasal can be between ismu haruf nasiba and habru haruf nasiba. So in here Surah Luqman ayah 26, inna allaha huwal ghaniyul hamid. Allah lafzul jalala, ismu inna, al ghani khabru inna. Between ismu inna and khabru inna, this huwa can be treated as damirul fasl. The third place where you can find your damirul fasl can be between ismu kana and khabru kana, and here in Surah Shu'ara you can see in kanu humul ghalibin. Between ismu kana, wawil jama'a, and al ghalibina, which is khabar mansoob of kana, there is hum, which is treated as damirul fasl. The fourth place for damirul fasl can be between mafulun bihi awwal and mafulun bihi thanin of dhanna wa akhawatuha. These are special af'al. They take 2 mafulun bihis. They are known to take 2 mafulun bihis, and you can find damirul fasl between the 2 mafulun bihis of dhanna wa akhawatuha. So here let's see. وَيَرَى الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ. Yara is one of the sisters of dhanna. It takes 2 mafulun bihis. Yara is fi'l mudari marfu bid-dammatul muqaddara ala al-alif. الَّذِينَ is file for yara. الَّذِينَ is a mawsul. Utul ilma is silatul mawsul la mahalla laha min al-i'rab. Those who were given knowledge will see الَّذِي أُنزِلَ إِلَيْكَ مِن رَبِّكَ, that which has been sent down from your Rabb. هُوَ الْحَقَّ is the truth, is true. الَّذِي is mafulun bihi awwal for yara. Al-haqqa is mafulun bihi thanin for yara. In between allazi, which is mafulun bihi awwal, and al-haqqa, which is mafulun bihi thanin, there is a huwa, and this huwa is going to be labeled as damirul fasl. Remember, in all these 4 cases, when you are treating this hum, huwa as damirul fasl, in terms of i'rab, it is going to be la mahalla laha min al-i'rab. It is not going to be considered rough in status anymore. Anytime when you are going to label any pronoun as damirul fasl, it is going to be la mahalla laha min al-i'rab. In the first 2 cases, if you treat humul muflihuna as a sentence, and with hum as mubtada, al muflihuna as khabar, and this jumla ismiya as khabar for ulaika, then this hum is going to be mubtada marfu. If again you are going to treat inna allaha huwal ghaniyul hamid, this whole sentence starting from huwa ending at al hamid as jumla ismiya fi mahalli rafin khabar for inna, then huwa is going to be mubtada marfu. But once you are treating it as damirul fasl, once you treat a pronoun as damirul fasl, you are going to call it la mahalla laha min al-i'rab. There are a few more examples of damirul fasl from Quran. Surah Al-Anfal, ayah 32. In kana hadha huwal haqqa. This part of an ayah has damirul fasl. Hadha ismu kana, al-haqqa khabru kana. And there is a random pronoun huwa between ismu kana and khabru kana, and this random pronoun is not random, it is damirul fasl la mahalla laha min al-i'rab. In Surah Al-Muzammil, ayah 20, I am finding tajiduhu indallahi huwa khayrun wa azama. There is a pronoun in my jumlatul failure. What is it doing here? So I will go back to what I learned just a few seconds ago. Tajidu is one of the sisters of dhanna. it takes two maf'ulun bihis. The first maf'ulun bihi for tajidu is who, which is an attached pronoun. The second maf'ulun bihi for tajidu is khairan. You all will find it better. Between maf'ulun bihi awwal and maf'ulun bihi thanin, who and khairan, there's a pronoun which is going to be labeled as damirul fasl, and it is going to have no status. Therefore, it is going to be called la mahalla laha min al-i'rab. So, what are the benefits and advantages of the Damirul Fasl? Why is it there? So what it does is it clarifies your khabar, and the khabar can no longer be confused as tabe, which can be sifa or badal. For example, if there was no huwa in dhalika huwa dalalul bayid, there was no huwa. If there was no huwa, then you may treat dhalika as ism ishara, ad-dalal musharun ilayhi, sifa or badal for dhalika, that far off misguidance. But the presence of huwa helps you understand that zalika in here is mubtada, ad-dalal is the khabar of this mubtada, that is far off misguidance, right? So that is one of the most important benefit of the Damirul Fasl. The second benefit can be that it's going to bring al-qasr wal-hasr, which is exclusivity. You will find the terms only in the translation. Inna huwa adhaka wa abka, indeed he is the only one who makes one laugh, wa abka, and cry. Then the third purpose can be that tokidul qasr, that it makes exclusivity more emphatic. So here, innahu huwa tawwabur rahim, indeed only he is extremely accepting of repentance and extremely merciful. So I hope you find this session beneficial. Do not forget where to look for the Damirul Fasl. It is very important that after this session, if you have listened to it carefully, you are able to figure out your Damirul Fasl. And the four places, again, I will retell you that between Mubtada and Khabar, between Ism of Haruf Nasiba and Khabar of Haruf Nasiba, between Ismukana, Khabrukana, you can find the Damirul Fasl. And the fourth one, which is a little tricky, is between the two maf'ools of Dhanna wa Akhawatuha. So if you find any random pronoun in Jumla Fi'liya and you don't know what this pronoun is doing here, think about the Damirul Fasl. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك wa natubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.